Hi. Hey guys, what up? Not FaZe Dearman here, and check this out. That is the only snow that is left. That's nuts. It's been raining though because it's April. It's been raining literally every day. There has not been a day in this month that it hasn't rained yet. Which kind of sucks because I hate the rain and I hate this rainy weather because we have spring break. And for the people that stay home, you get this shit. But the weather forecast for next week says that it's going to be sunny practically all week. And I'm going to New York on Wednesday, which is going to be exciting. Smoking the weeds. At least this guy pulls up to the curb now. Yeah. Where's your brother? What? Is he listening to 50 Cent? Is that why you can't hear me? What doing?
What are you doing?
I don't know.
You're not vlogging.
Yeah, I am. Okay, so something actually exciting is happening in school today. What's happening in school today, Liam, during gym class instead?
Variety show.
Yeah, so we're having the talent variety show thing. It's probably going to be, same crap as last year. Because Dylan Fisher said that the same thing happened in his 8th grade year as it did in his 7th grade year because the people are the same. So, I don't even know.
My earbuds got caught on your backpack.
Good job. Dude, there's nobody in the 8th grade section.
Yo, look at this.
Yeah.
Dude, I need to
Embrace the moment. The fact that there's nobody in the 8th grade section yet.
5 hours later.
Shut up.
Yes, please.
That's Bushman's job.
Bushman 84.
Hey, look, there's Bushman.
There's Bushman right now.
Oh, Bushy.
Splashy wash. They're calling us in early for some reason. It's only 1:26.
Look at his nose.
Oh, somebody got their football stuck in the tree over there. Where is it? Maybe I can get it. Right there. Yeah, I got it. Dover! Dover! Dover, Delaware. I'm vlogging, yeah.
They just want to do it for the vlog. Just do it for the vlog.
Wow! That's not my fist. That was my... There we go. Alright, I'll see you in I don't know, maybe we'll hang out this week. Next week, whenever it is. Now, I'm gonna be out of school for 11 days. What the hell am I gonna do? I'm going to New York for one. What the hell am I gonna do with the other 10? Decided to take a trip to the kind of shady center of Mahwah. I don't know, just kind of a weird feeling I get when I come down here to downtown Mahwah / downtown Suffern. I don't know the difference. What is with this wind? So I'm at the station right now. The historic station is behind me. That's the actual station right there. Train just passed by. And I'm going to take one time lapse up here on this platform before I head down to like the other island road, because there's like 4 island roads in between all these towns. So I'm going to get this shot before I get a couple other shots down near the more suburban area than the more downtown area. Jesus, criminy Christmas, my friggin' tripod almost fell over. Oh, I just reached for it. It was starting to fall. Okay, so I'm on Island Road, on Franklin Turnpike. Off of Franklin Turnpike, on the Mawa side. Look at that. There's another Church Street. That's not Max Noakes' house. Now I am in probably the shadiest part of oh God! Freaking wind. This wind is crazy. I am now in probably the shady part of Mawa. I didn't even know there was a shady part. I've been back here before, but I never paid attention to the environment. I can see the Sheridan. It's right over there. You can see that. I don't know, can you see that? Yeah. That right there is the Sheridan, and that's my time-lapse goal. That's what I came all the way out here to do. Oh, come on. Okay, I gotta get out of here. The wind is way too strong, and I'm starting to see raindrops on this case right now. Okay, have to pack up my stuff. Okay, getting out of here. I don't need gloves. Gotta get the hell out of here. Okay, so right now I'm at Chili's with my dad. Just getting burgers. I was trying to go to East Coast Burger, Dylan, but then happened. Also, this music is extraordinarily loud. I'm gonna get back to dinner. The manager just came up to and apologized to me. They gave me a cheeseburger. I just asked for regular. At least Chili's apologized. Thanks, Chili's.